Chamfering is the process of removing a sharp 90-degree edge and creating a flat angled surface through machining, stamping, grinding, or specialized chamfering equipment. A 45-degree chamfer is one of the most common designs, but the angle and size can also be customized based on the part structure, material, and assembly requirements. A chamfer and a fillet are not the same. A chamfer creates a flat angled surface while a fillet creates a curved transition. Chamfers can be produced through CNC machining, stamping, grinding, or dedicated chamfering equipment. In CNC machining, chamfers can often be produced in the same setup as holes, end faces, and part profiles. The cutting tool follows a programmed path along the specified edge, controlling the chamfer position, angle, and size. The first benefit is removing sharp edges and residual burrs. Chamfering creates smoother edges and reduces the risk of operators being cut during handling and assembly. The second benefit is improving assembly efficiency. For parts that need to be inserted, positioned, or fitted together, a chamfer acts as a guide, helping reduce jamming, collisions, and misalignment during assembly. The third benefit is protecting surrounding components. Sharp metal edges can scratch cables, plastic housings, or nearby components. Chamfering helps reduce this type of surface damage during assembly. The fourth benefit is reducing stress concentration around the edges. Sharp corners can create localized stress. A properly designed chamfer can improve the stability and durability of the part's edges. In addition, clean and consistent chamfers improve the overall appearance of a part, giving it a more refined and professional finish. Although chamfering may seem like a small detail, it can affect part safety, assembly efficiency, and overall quality. Follow HLC to learn more about precision metal parts manufacturing.